Bitcoin is falling again, and currently we are approaching a critical support area. This area is gonna decide the move for the coming days and weeks. So, in today's update, I will show you exactly what I'm expecting and how I'm going to trade this with almost 8 years of trading experience. So, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and save this video for later. First of all, we are going to have a look at the trend and the most likely scenarios for Bitcoin. Later, I'm going to show you the most important support and resistance areas and where I'm going to trade on the lower time frame. Bitcoin is basically still in a downtrend. We are creating lower highs and lower lows, and we were not able to break back above the 67,000 US dollar. So, this is just another higher time frame lower high. So, the most likely move for Bitcoin is to create another lower low. And I think that lower low is gonna be somewhere between the 57 and 53,000 US dollar. And I still believe this is one of the biggest opportunities we have seen since 2022. And this is also the area where I'm going to buy a lot Bitcoin and where I'm going to enter many swing long positions. And of course, nobody can predict. We could bounce from this area right here, of course. But this is for sure the most likely move for Bitcoin. All right, and of course, there are some important support areas right here, but Bitcoin has been trading sideways for over 40 days, and we have seen the lowest volatility since 2023. So, we are going to see a major move in the near future. So, keep in mind, this is really a realistic scenario for Bitcoin for the coming days and weeks. All right, let's go back to the 4-hour candles because we are going to mark out the most important support areas. For now, Bitcoin is approaching the 62,000 US dollar. And this is, of course, our range low. So, a really important support area, of course. The next support is around the 60k, and the last line of defense is going to be found here around the 59,000 US dollar. And these are, in my opinion, the most important support areas for Bitcoin, and these could bring us really interesting long positions, or at least a nice scalp or day trades. But let me show you my game plan because I'm really careful with these areas because I'm expecting lower prices in the coming days and weeks. So I want to wait for the price to create a lower time frame trend rotation before I'm going to enter any positions. So I want to see a lower time frame trend rotating. So I want to see something like this before I'm going to enter any positions. So for now, Bitcoin is approaching this area. So it's really important to keep an eye on Bitcoin right now because this area is, of course, really strong and really important. So if Bitcoin is able to do something like this in the coming hours, this could bring us at least a nice scalp or day trade. So this is something to keep an eye for the coming hours. But I want to see that confirmation first before I'm going to enter any positions because there is still a lot of downside risk. And this is the same game plan for these areas right here. I'm really interested in trades, but I want to wait for the price to approach one of these areas. And if we are able to rotate and if we are going to see something like this, that's the moment when I'm going to enter positions. And I'm going to share it with you guys on this page. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss these trades. All right. For now, I'm not interested in any more short positions. I think you already should be in a position. So for now, I first want to see a clear break below this range low, and I want to see at least a daily candle open and close below this area. Then I think we could look for breakout short positions, but for now I'm just waiting for the price, how it's going to react with this support area. Keep in mind, the most likely move is down for Bitcoin. But of course, we could stay above this support because it's support, of course. So this is the reason why I am also interested in long positions, but only on a lower time frame rotation. So hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Let me know here in the comments. And guys, always use your stop loss. Minimize your risk. So, this is my game plan for Bitcoin for the coming days and weeks. So, hopefully, you find this video really interesting and helpful. And hopefully, I see you in the next one. Ciao.